The next time that you have a couple hours or less or more to take pictures, are you going to embrace that and go do it? That's the dilemma that I was faced with today. It was beautiful in Omaha, Nebraska, 60-degree weather. Awesome, right? I wanted to go out and take photos from the moment I woke up, but I had to do my job. That's important. And I had a whole bunch of errands to run, which is also important. By the time the end of the day came, I was really struggling. And I was thinking, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play Halo for the next couple hours before dinner, because dinner is really important to me to try to have dinner with the family. I'm going to play Halo and not worry about taking photos today. But I peeked outside and there were some amazing clouds coming in. And I said, I can't do this to myself. I can't just melt my brain. I got to be creative. So I grabbed my X100v and I got in the car and went out into the country. By the time I got to the spot that I had in mind, I had around 30 minutes or so, 35 or 40 minutes, right around there, to take pictures. And I think I'll show you the timestamp. I think that from the first photo to the end, it was like 30 something minutes. And I am really grateful that I went out and did this, because they are some amazing photographs that I'm really happy with and I'm proud of. And I think more than any of that, I'm going to look back at these photographs and remember the time that I chose to take photographs instead of doing something non-creative. And I hope that you make that choice too. The X100V or any other camera that you have, a small camera or a camera that you just have set aside that has one lens on it, one focal length, and it's charged and ready for you to take, it really does make a little bit of a difference. It made me just, I know I'm going to grab that thing and go out and take great photographs that I'm going to be happy with. And that's what I did. So I'm going to show you a slideshow. I've already edited these. After dinner, I sat down and edited the photos for about an hour, and I love them. So I'm sharing them with you. I hope you enjoy. Remember to get out and take photographs the next time you have a little bit of time.